Marlene Estelle is bringing back Makeup Geek, kind of. Blend Bunny Cosmetics just dropped their new Hot Mate collection today, and so much more. Now, if you clicked on this video thinking that you're going to watch somebody recap this entire week's new beauty releases, as well as talk about upcoming ones, you clicked on the right video. We have a lot to talk about today, so let's just jump right in. Of course, we're starting this week off with a banger, and that is the new Blend Bunny Cosmetics Haunt Me collection. This collection launches today, December 12th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can shop this entire collection on blendbunnycosmetics.com, as well as their TikTok shop. If you're shopping on the website, yes, you can still use code Cody Jay for 10% off your order, and I do get a small commission in return. Thank you kindly. So let me break down this collection for you. So starting off with the hero product in this collection is their new Haunt Me Eye and Face palette. This palette features 24 beautifully haunting shades. This palette retails for $46. I think this palette is so stunning. I love the colors. I love the variations. I love the different types of reds and the burgundy and the deeper shades that they have in this. The black looks jet black. Now, when I originally saw this collection before it was announced, I was a little shocked because I loved everything that I was seeing, but I'm like, it's December. Like, this is more, I don't know, Halloween time vibes to me. But then I was like really taking in the shade names and the concept and the whole point of this collection. I was like, this makes more sense to me, I guess. But all in all, I think it's a stunning collection. The new Pro colored pencils, there's two of them. We have Bloodline, that's the red shade, as well as Rated R, which is the black. Both of those retail for $14 each. My collection just showed up last night, so I haven't had a lot of time to actually play with everything, but I can tell you the formula of the lip pencils, it's crazy. They're very creamy, they glide on smoothly, and I've seen Deandra, she literally was like going like this with her lips, and literally it wasn't moving. So I love that. So we have two lip glazes, Rated R, which is the highly pigmented black, as well as Body Count, which is the highly pigmented red. Those both retail for $15 each. Body Count looks exceptional. Put it all over my body. Then in this collection, we have three lip oil glosses. We have Premonition, which is a black sparkle, Ghosted, which is a white gold sparkle, as well as F-Bomb, which is a red sparkle. All of those retail for $15 individually. There will be a bundle of all these items in case you're somebody that likes to purchase the entire collection. You can do that with ease. I'm super excited about this collection. I'm excited to get it all over my face and create some amazing looks for you guys, so that video is coming soon. Next, we have some new face products from NYX Cosmetics. This is available right now. The first item is the Make 'em Wonder Soft Matte Buildable Foundation. This is described as a skincare-infused weightless foundation that delivers pro-level buildable coverage with a real skin finish for all-day comfort. It's infused with vitamin C from guarana seed extract and hyaluronic acid. A hydrating foundation brightens, smooths, and perfects while feeling weightless on the skin. It claims to last up to 24 hours with fade, transfer, sweat, and water resistance for all-day shine, and it is available in 45 shades. We also have the Wonder Snatch Loose Setting Powder. This is described as a loose setting powder that delivers up to 16 hours of sweat-proof wear and airbrush natural matte finish. It sets makeup, visibly brightens it, and smooths the appearance and skin. Infused with green tea, which is rich in antioxidants and lifting peptides, which is available in 8 shades. And then we have the Buttermelt Glow Boosting Highlighter Sticks. This is for an instant dewy glow. It is claimed to be creamy, melt into your skin. It has a buttery smooth luminosity and a melty glazed finish. This is available in 7 shades. We have clear, white, pink, gold, peach, bronze, and copper tones. There are more shades available in some other countries, apparently, but I don't know. I feel like this is, it's a well-rounded release, I guess. Am I necessarily interested in buying anything from this collection? No, not really. Next up, we have a lip product drop from Patrick Ta. Patrick Ta, for me, it does not scream to me. It does not, nothing he's ever released screams to me. I think the pricing is a bit out of touch. I think the products are a bit basic, boring, routine. Like, let's come up with something a little bit more exciting, something new. But that's, again, just my opinion. Either way, we have the Major Moisture Smoothing and Hydrating Tinted Lip Balms. These have vitamin E in them. These are described as a high-shine sheer lip balm with a cushiony texture and moisturizing ingredients that nourish lips for a softer, smoother pout with plumping peptides and bakuchiol. If you don't know what bakuchiol is, that is a natural retinol alternative, so do love that. The mask-like feel meets a gloss finish elevated by custom gourmand flavors. These retail for $25 each, which is crazy for a tinted lip balm. We have cocoa butter, which is a cream color. We have pink salted caramel, which is warm pink. Milk tea, which is a nude. Cookie butter, which is cool mauve. And espresso, which is a deep brown. This is available on December 13th on their website and Sephora. Also, don't mind me while we're talking about this. I need to multitask and get my skincare done for this evening because it's like later in the evening at the time of recording this. And I'm a little behind on the day, okay? Anyway, these tinted lip balms, I mean, I like the colors of them. I'm sure they'll probably feel nice just based on the ingredients that are included. I do like that it has bakuchiol, which, like I said, is a natural retinol alternative. So I love retinol-based products, especially obviously on the skin. But on the lips, I think that is really, really a great concept and a great ingredient to have, because it's going to help to really reverse the signs of aging on your lips and keep them hydrated and soft and supple and all the things that most people want their lips to be like. So I like that. I just don't like the price. Next up, we have a foundation drop from Armani. This is available now in Europe. This is their new reformulated and updated Luminous Silk Foundation. So I know a lot of people have used the Luminous Silk Foundation. They love it. This is just meant to be a reformulated, revamped version. Again, this is available now in Europe. So they claim that this foundation has reinvented itself with an improved formula that maintains its radiant, natural finish, which is supposed to be ideal for all skin types. This is now enriched with a combination of niacinamide, yes, glycerin, going to be great for dry skin, sea lily, and white lupin extract. It delivers long-lasting hydration and all-day comfort with microfill technology and an ultralight texture that melts into the skin like silk. It evens out skin tone, corrects imperfection, and enhances radiance without creating a mask-like effect, and a buildable coverage. This is available in 40 different shades. It is marked as coming soon to their website and other retailers as far as expanding it. So I don't know. I mean, I personally didn't have like this, mind-boggling experience when I tried the Luminous Silk Foundation. I don't know. I feel like sometimes people get a little blinded when they see luxury names on products and they feel like it's better than other things they have when really it's just not. I feel like it's just one of those like placebo things, This is definitely not a product that I plan on buying, regardless of it being reformulated. I have no desire. Next up, YSL has released a new fragrance in their Libra family. This is Berry Crush. And I'm actually super excited because YSL reached out a little while ago and said that they were going to be sending me this fragrance to try out when it gets released. So now that it's been announced to the public, hopefully that means it's going to be showing up to my doorstep here soon, hopefully sooner rather than later, because I love my YSL fragrances, almost all of them that I have and have tried. You can see them like on that shelf right there. It's how to do stuff backwards on camera. Right there, I got a bunch over there and beside it, all over the place. I love them. So typically a lot of the Libra fragrances are a little floral, and I don't like floral, but this is described as a fruity floral fragrance where juicy raspberry meets Libra's iconic floral signature of lavender and orange blossom. It's supposed to be sweet yet bold. I'm hoping that the fruitiness of it all is going to far surpass or overtake the really floral forward notes in it because, again, I don't love a floral. Some of them I can get behind sometimes if they're lighter, but I'm hoping this is like really berry focused. That'll be great for me. This is described as embodying the essence of bold femininity through a delightful floral composition. The result is a captivating scent that celebrates passion, pleasure, and freedom. The elegant scarlet bottle reflects YSL's bold spirit, a jewel that captures the pulse of freedom and self-expression. I love that. Note-wise, it says fresh mandarin and tart raspberry open the fragrance and lead into a radiant floral heart of diva lavender and Moroccan orange blossom. A soft base of bourbon, vanilla, and musk wraps the fragrance in warmth and sensuality. If it doesn't end up showing up to my house for me to try, I'll buy it so I can try it that way. Next up, a new collection from Tom Ford has been revealed. This is their new Fig Erotic collection. This color collection was inspired by the new fragrance that expresses the trajectory of sensuality depicted by the fig. The burgundy and crocodile style design creates a sensual luxury. This collection includes an eye color quad in Disco Dust, the lip color satin matte 16BG Scarlet Rouge, which is limited edition, 50BG Adore, which is an existing color. We have 52BG, which is Naked Rose, which is also an existing color. There's a Gilded Gloss, which is gold, soft rose, peach with shimmer, and a cushioned compact case. I mean, I don't really think I like the visuals of this collection. I really don't like the crocodile pattern on anything. I feel it feels very old, very dated. I don't like it at all. To me, that doesn't scream luxury. To me, it just screams outdated. I like the colors of it all, but the eyeshadow quad, I'm just like, how much more boring can you get than that? I mean, I feel like these luxury brands always come out with these quads or 6-shade palettes, and they're always the most basic, boring, routine shades. And I'm like, for what? And then you slap a premium price on it? For what? This is marked as coming soon to their website and retailers. I would like to try maybe one of the lipsticks, but other than that, I wouldn't be interested in anything else. Next up, we have a drop from Beauty Creations. They have revealed new shades of their Writing Solo Single Shadows from their Volume 2 collection. This is a collection with a total of 36 shades. The newest 18 are pressed shimmer shadows. They have new shades added. This has a creamy texture, allegedly highly pigmented. They're easy to apply and infused with vitamin E inside of a clear magnetic and stackable package. I'm a smidgen confused because it says that there are 15 shimmery ones and 3 mattes. But at the beginning, they say that there are 18 new pressed shimmer shadows. So how can you have shimmer shadows if 3 of them are matte? Anyway, these retail for $6 each. You can buy the PR box for $89. These are available on December 11th, which means at the time of you watching this, they're already available. I think a lot of these are stunning. There's quite a few that I would buy. I think they're gorgeous. I like the variety. I love the blues, the pinks, and the purple. There's like a minty bluish green. I really like that. There's a silver I think looks stunning, but honestly, I want all of the blues, pinks, purples, and the silvers. Give those all to me. Next up, we have a luxury drop from Givenchy. So they've revealed their new glowy spring collection for 2026. This includes a lot of things. We have the Prism Libre Loose Powder number 16 Apple Scent Veil. Apple scent? Is that even a word? I don't even know, but that's what it says. There's a lip oil that has a plump finish with a sleek, refreshing, cooling feel. It's in the shade Rose Quartz, number 10. Okay. We have a serum lip oil stick in number 118, which is soft rosewood, as well as number 109, which is spicy maple. We have the Prism Libre Skin and Color Serum Primer, which is infused with hyaluronic acid. The purple is a niacinamide blend to help firm your skin while correcting yellowness for a radiant appearance that makes pores less visible. The pink is vitamin C combination. It corrects dullness for a radiant skin look. And then we have the green, which is a vitamin B5 blend. This is to treat redness, firm the skin for an even skin moment. And then we also have a new eyeshadow palette. I don't know what it is. I feel like at the end of the day, I feel like I'm always like harking. Is that even a word? Harping? Harping? I think it's harping. Whatever. On luxury brands, like luxury makeup brands, because it's like you always put such a premium price on these products, and honestly, it almost never impresses me. Like a lot of times luxury fragrances definitely impress me, but the luxury beauty products, it just like screams old money. It doesn't scream current, it doesn't scream modern, it doesn't scream anyone in my age bracket. It's always these busty, dusty, boring, basic colors, shades, products, all the things. And I'm just like, I'm over it. I understand there's people that love this, and if you love it, I'm so happy for you. I'm so glad you do you. We all have our preferences. It's just certainly not mine. This is marked as coming soon to their website and retailer, so if you are somebody that buys these luxury beauty products, let me know if this is one that you'd be buying. And speaking of luxury products, we have a drop from Guerlain. This is also from their spring collection. This is called Denim Flower. I think the packaging it's weird because I feel like it wants to be fun, and it's very like flirty and girly and flowery and all that kind of stuff, and I feel like I get where they were going with it all, but it's giving me like immature, whimsical Easter bunny luxury. And I don't like that. Either way, this includes the Meteorites Setting and Finishing Illuminating Powder Pearls in Denim Flower. There's Rouge G customizable cases and the Ombre G quad eyeshadow in 396 Denim Flower. Also, if you notice that these luxury brands put out these products and the names always suck, like they're literally ass. Like what is even these names? What even is this?
'Tis confusion!
Like y'all got enough money that you can hire some people to give you some better product names and product copy and like a little bit of better creative direction, in my opinion. To me, I wouldn't buy any of this. Next up, we have a fragrance drop from Carolina Herrera. This is from their Good Girl fragrance line. This new one is called Jasmine Absolute Eau de Parfum. This is celebrating 10 years of irresistible allure with a bold, ambery gourmand twist on the house's signature jasmine and the original icon. A rich and radiant scent dressed in sleek black and crowned with a pearl white jasmine flower. This is described as an ambery gourmand scent. The pricing for the different sizes of the bottles retails from a range of like $130 to about $160. The top notes in this are going to be mandarin and a black currant accord, middle notes being jasmine and bitter almond, and the bottom notes being toffee accord and roasted tonka bean. I feel like this might not be too floral forward, which I could get behind that. I like the mandarin that stands out to me, the toffee accord stands out to me, the roasted tonka bean stands out to me, black currant accord stands out to me. To me, this is kind of in my head, my mind, I'm thinking like a creamy, slightly floral, fruity focus, but altogether like well blended fragrance. So I definitely would like to try this one out for sure. I've not gotten to try anything from this fragrance house, so it's always been on my list too. So maybe this will be the first one I start with. And last but most certainly not least, we have to talk about Marlena Stell, Makeup Geek, and House of Marseille. What the hell's going on? Let me break it down for you. Marlena was the founder and CEO of Makeup Geek Cosmetics that ran for over a decade. That brand brought us all some of the most iconic makeup products, including their single shadows, their magnetic pans, all the things. Towards the end, we had amazing eyeliners, we had a mascara, lots of fun products, performed well, iconic. Things happened, the brand went away. Where are we at now? Marlena Stell came back actually a year ago and launched House of Marseille, which is what we know now. And it actually started off with fragrances. There are 6 full-size fragrances, as well as the Discovery Collection, which is a collection of all 6 of the fragrances in 2 milliliter samples. So what's been going on since that? So everyone's been enjoying the fragrances, having a good moment. Cool. People are just now finally catching on for the fact that Marlena is also releasing beauty products under the House of Marseille. That has always been the plan for the company. It's just, a cadence of rolling things out in a timely manner. With that being said, yes, I have seen what's coming to all of us very, very soon. It's amazing. It's incredible. I am allowed to tell you that there are eyeshadows involved. Marlena has shared a couple of sneak peeks on socials of, what's to come from the first launch as far as the expansion of House of Marseille. Again, I've seen everything. It's amazing. One thing about this company and Marlena herself is that she's going to bring you iconic products always with a twist. So what you think you know, you don't know. So that's all I'll say. That's all I'm allowed to say. But it is coming sooner than you can imagine. So keep your eyes out for that. It's almost here. It's almost here. Overall, I feel like there were a few good drops this week and a few that are coming out that I'm really excited about. I think the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Haunt Me collection is going to be the star of the show for this week. I think it's going to be an amazing collection for people to have. Usually Blend Bunny collections do pretty well because the color stories are amazing, the price points are appropriate, the quality is exceptional, and it just always the collections are very cohesive. And I think a lot of people really appreciate that, myself included. Fragrance-wise, I'm excited for the YSL Libre Berry Crush fragrance. Again, hopefully that shows up randomly and magically on my doorstep. If it doesn't, I'll just grab it so I can try it because I'm very excited to add that to my YSL collection. More than anything, I'm definitely excited, as I'm sure most of you are, for Makeup Geek basically kind of being revived just through Marlena's new Marseille brand. I'm very excited. I'm trying to not say anything, but there's a lot of goodness coming. Even after this first launch, there's a lot of goodness coming. But that is all I have for you guys in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this week's weekly beauty recap. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. As always, I'd love to know what you liked, what you didn't like, and what you'd like to see from some of these brands throughout this coming year. We are literally getting ready to jump right into 2026, which is crazy. And more than anything, I'd really like to know, are you excited about the new Blend Bunny collection? And are you so stoked, as I am, for the new Makeup Geek revival, essentially through House of Marseille by Marlene Estelle? Of course, I certainly am. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family, and I'll see you all in the next one.